Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So in this video I have got an absolutely free piece of software to share with you which you can use to start making money online today, and it's free and it's genuinely a really simple process. Now, I was doing a bit of research for one of the blog articles over here because obviously I share about making money online, working from home and different side hustles. Now, when I was doing some research for today's video, I found this piece of software, and as I've mentioned, it is awesome. But more importantly, you can make money with this. How much, that will, obviously come down to yourself and how much time and effort you're going to put into this. But it's free, it's easy, and it works pretty quick. Now look, if you are looking for different ways to make money online, you can come over to my blog. We have lots of articles on here. I have an interview series. I've got a members area with free resources and lots more. So go ahead and check that out. So let me come over to, where's it gone? This is the website over here. It's called deepart.io. And you can see here, look, turn any photo into artwork for free. Okay, you might be thinking, sounds great. I can play around with this, as I'm sure many people do. But the way it works is you upload a photo and you can see the first picture defines the scene you would like to have painted. Then you go ahead and choose a style. So you can see you can choose your own, you can upload your own, or you can literally use any of the predefined styles. And then step 3 is you submit it, and you can see here, our servers paint the image for you. You get an email when it's done. Pretty cool. Scroll further on the page here, you can see, look, get some inspiration. You can see what others have created, and this is updated daily. And here's a cool thing. If you like any of these here, you can click on, as it says, click to use this style here. So we've got all of these different styles on here. And you can click on explore others, and you can go through and have a look at, everything else that's going on over on this website over here. Okay, so I think you'll agree, it's pretty cool, isn't it? There's lots of options over on this website over here. So, more importantly, we'll move on to the fact of how do you make money with this. So I went over to a website which I'm sure many of you are familiar with, and it is called Fiverr.com. And all I've done here is, on the front of the homepage, let me go over here, I literally highlighted this and I put it into Fiverr. Turn your photos into art. Sure enough, scroll down here, I will turn your photo into a vector, and you can go through and have a look at these. There's lots of these on here, so we just click on the first one, and it opens up here. Now look at this. I'm in the UK, so it's UK pricing. £7.63, so that's about $10. This is a basic. We've then got standard, and we have got premium, which is £15. And you can go through and have a look at, previous images and other bits in here. So there's lots in here, and you can go through and have a read of this. So basically what's included on this, and then we've got feedback on here. So come back over here, let me share with you another example, because I've just thought of that whilst I was looking at over here on the home page of this here. Look, so this person here has gone ahead and created an image of an animal. So let's see, turn your photos into art, and I'm just going to put on the end of that animal. See if it brings up any animals, because I'm sure it will do. Click on search, and let's see what comes up for this. I will draw There's none with that one there, but I'm certain there'll be people. I know what I'm going to type in. I'll turn your photo into vector art. So I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to type it in. I'm going to type in animal. Let's just go with portrait as an example. Portrait. Because I'm sure there'll be people doing this. Okay, so here we go again. Look, I will draw a cartoon portrait of your dog, animal, or pet, and there's many more on here. So let's just go ahead and have a look at this one. So let's click on here, and all they're doing here is they're taking this image on the left hand side, and this is how it comes out over here. Now if we go back over to here, you can see we can do this inside of this piece of software over here. As you can see here, we've got this style here, and there's thousands more of these that you can use. Now this website, this Deep Art, you can see they've been around for a couple of years now. You can follow them on all these different social media platforms, and they've been featured in the Telegraph, Huffington Post, Washington, Wired, Business Insider, and many more. So with this simple side hustle, what I would do is I would literally go over to Fiverr and have a look at what people are offering on here, what they're selling. So you could look at animal portraits. You could also look at examples like this one over here, turn your photo into colourful vector art portrait. Have a look at, different sellers, what they're actually selling. You can also go over to their accounts like this, and let's see if we can go over to the actual account, so you can see, what else they're selling. So this person over here, look, they've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They've got 5 of these here. These are known as gigs. So they've got 5 of these over on Fiverr, but essentially they're all the same. All they're doing is that, they're putting a different title on here and they're putting up different images, but they're all the same. If we're going to this one, let's have a look at this. I'm sure they will have, look, basic, £7.63, standard, and premium again. And again, you can just go through and have a look at, what they're doing and get a little bit of inspiration from this. So this website over here, this is called Fiverr. And then I thought, I wonder if you could do this on a selling platform like eBay or Etsy. So we can come over to eBay, and I've just typed into here, portrait illustration, and go through and see if people are selling them. And even if they're not, you could create your own listing over on eBay. In fact, I've just had another thought. Let's type in animal portrait and see if that comes up. Animal portrait. So we've got 6,000 people a month searching for this. Let's scroll down. Now look, some of these are going to be, hand drawn, hand painted, etc. But you could go through and have a look and see if people are selling, these over on eBay. Another platform which you could use would be probably Etsy. So let's go into Etsy, and let's just, again, all I'm going to do is I'm going to make it really simple. I'm going to come up here, I'm going to turn your photos into art. I'm going to copy that. Let's go to Etsy and have a little nosy. So paste that into there, click on go. Is anyone selling this over on Etsy? And yeah, again, look, some of these are watercoloured, but you can go through and find, look, turn dog into a cartoon. This, I mean, look at this, £12.84, 100 and, let's go into this and have a look at this. Yeah, it's just crazy. We can go ahead and look, custom PDF. Let's go into their shop on Etsy and see, look, what else they are selling over here. So on the left hand side, look, we have got portraits, pet cartoon. Let's go on pet cartoon and have a look at this. Look, art, digital art. So you can see on here, there's so many different ways that you can make money, with free softwares. And I'm sure the skeptics out there will say, well, if it was that easy, why isn't everybody doing it? Or if it was that simple, why don't everyone go over to this website and, do it themselves? My question to you is, did you know this website existed? Probably not. I didn't until about 2 days ago when I found out about this. And this is just one example. Another thing that you can do, and I know these exist, so I'm going to type this into here and type in app. Let's have a look at that, because I'm sure there will be an app. Come down here, look, the best apps to turn photos into paintings. So there's 6 apps here, and this is taking me 30 seconds to go ahead and, what's this? What? No, I don't want this. So you can come through and look, here's an app, here's another one, here's another one, here's another one. So there's lots of these. Now, I'm sure some of these will be paid and some of these will be free. But overall, this here, what I've shared with you today, is just another simple side hustle that you can get up and running to make some extra money online and from home. It's not hard, it's not difficult, and you can do it 100% for free. So that's today's video. If you have any comments or questions, let me know. But overall, I think you'll agree it's pretty simple. So thanks for watching, have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.